There are people na laging basher. Don't let fear of what others think of you stand in your way. You cannot please everybody talaga. So laging meron ganun sa pamilya, lagi may kontra. They think that we are gambling dito sa trading natin, no? Pero we want to prove them na hindi, no? Paano 'yon? So kailangan matuto tayo, no? So gawin natin 'yon inspiration na maging better dito sa craft natin. Kaya ka nandito kasi you are seeing an opportunity, no? So huwag kang ma-discourage, no, na maging unique kasi pwedeng hindi nila nakikita yung nakikita mo, no? So but eventually you get better, magugustuhan na rin nila at maiintindihan na nila yung ginagawa natin. So yan ang ating Kuyang Knows for the night. Please follow and share for more.